morning students, Sai Ram. Welcome back once again. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your places. Today we are going to do some exercise, some asanas which help you to release your stiffness of your back and increase the flexibility of your spine and back. So let's start. First with a 3-round Om chant and 1 round Gayatri Mantra. So sit in any simple cross-leg position in which you are comfortable. In Ardha Padmasana, place your both hands in a Gyan Mudra. Keep your back straight, your head erect. Close your eyes. Start 3-round Om chant with deep inhalation and exhalation. First sit in Ardha Padmasana, your left foot on your right thigh. So first we are going to do side bending. So sit straight. Now place your right hand back on the floor. Now raise your left hand up, place it over right knee. Now twist towards the right completely and look back and hold this position for the few seconds with a normal breath. Try to twist as deeper as your comfort. Gaze over your right shoulder. Now come in center. Now opposite direction. So place this time your right foot on your left thigh. And your left hand up, take it back. Now raise your right hand up, place it over your left knee. Now twist completely towards the left, as deeper as you can twist. Now look back over your left shoulder. Hold here for the few seconds with a normal breath. Twist. Now come in center. Now you can do this dynamic left and right, then left. You can do 8 to 12 round left and right. It will help you to release the stiffness of your back and increase the flexibility of your spine. We are going to do side bending, which help you to release the stiffness of your back and lengthen the side. So sit in Ardha Padmasana, your left foot on the right thigh, and place your right palm on the floor.
raise your left hand up. Now, while bending, crawl your right palm towards the right, allowing your right forearms to move forward to the ground. Then lean your towards the right and your left hand up, parallel to the ear, palm facing downward, and look towards your left palm. Hold here with a normal breathe. Inhale and exhale for the few seconds. Now slowly come in center and release your posture. Now this time bring your left palm on the floor towards the left. Raise your right hand up. Now bend towards the left and crawl your left palm towards the left, allowing your left forearm to move towards the ground and your right hand up. It should be parallel to the ear, and look your right palm and hold this posture for the few seconds with the normal breathe. It helps you to lengthen your side, relieve the stiffness of your back. Now slowly inhale, come in center and exhale. Today we are going to do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam or alternative breathing. So sit in any comfortable pose in which you are comfortable for the long time. Make a Pranav Mudra from the right hand, your index finger, your middle finger tip on the base of thumb. Close the right nostril with the thumb and you have to inhale from the left nostril. After inhalation, close the left nostril and exhale from the right. Again inhale from the right. After inhalation, close the right and exhale from the left nostril. So this is the one round of Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. We will do 5 rounds more together. Now make a Pranav Mudra from the right hand. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Now inhale from the left nostril. Close the left nostril and exhale from the right. Again inhale from the right. Close the right nostril and exhale from the left. Again inhale from the left. Now close the left nostril and exhale from the right. Again inhale from the right nostril. Now after inhalation, close the right nostril and exhale from the left. Now again inhale from the left nostril. Close the left nostril and exhale from the right. Your awareness should be on your breath, on the flow of the breath. Now inhale from the right. Close the right nostril and exhale from the left. Again inhale from the left. Close the left nostril and exhale from the right. Again inhale from the right. Close the right nostril and exhale from the left. Again inhale from the left. Close the left nostril and exhale from the right. Again inhale from the right. Close the right nostril and exhale from the left. After completing your 5 round, place your both palm in a Gyan Mudra. Just feel the flow of your breath, inhalation and exhalation. Now rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye on your face. Now gently open your eyes.